Hey guys, so I'm back at the Oaks. Just come to pick up a couple of fish. One that I bought last year, one was an auction fish. Got the baby with me. He loves dogs. So I'm going to let him out and have a little run around in a minute. Last time we were here, he couldn't even walk, to be honest. I think he could have he could just stand up properly, maybe have the odd step, but he couldn't really walk. So it's mad now that he can run around properly. But I just love this place. Generally just love the entrance, love everything about it. It's just such a nice place. And yeah, I'm going to get in, have a little look around and show you the Oaks Koi Farm for those who haven't seen. So for those who haven't seen, this is like the proper little Japanese, I forget what they're called a tuk-tuk last time, which is not, but proper little Japanese Jeep, 4-wheel drive, what they used to take up the mountains. All this lovely Japanese koi art. Some really nice pieces there. Pieces as in ornaments and not fish. Yeah. So I'm not just going to rabbit on through it all. I'm going to try and let you have a good look around. First pond with the window. This one you see, they still got the covers on. Some really nice fish in this one. Nothing probably over 35-40 cm in here. Looking at the fish. But it is just the setting to this place. It's just unbelievable. Go across the little bridge. Got the little natural stream, river, whatever it is, running through the middle, and then the Japanese garden here. And you've got the big show pond with the Japanese style pergola over the top. Again, the covers are still on over there as well. But this is Koi Farm dreams, goals in life, to have something that looks as nice as this. Really do love this place.
You don't want to stay in there too long, you know?
We'll stay there.
If you get excited, we'll leave them in here.
And you should have seen the one that was...
Yeah, they don't like being in here, they'd rather be back in pond.
You should have seen the one that was like back to the company.
Look at the fish.
There's some in this pond now. There's some in that pond. Obviously on that day, there were 2 bigger ones in there.
Are you looking at the fish? Were you looking at the fish? Did you think I was going to chase you? Ah. Say ah. Where are you off now? Hey. Careful, you'll fall. Right guys, so as you come out of the main shop bit, here the dog's just chilling. There's the immediate polytunnel to your right, which I think is the smallest polytunnel. Nice little picnic bench out here, and more of the Japanese art statues. Kindly put the pram inside so you're getting wet, and still some of the covers on in here. Obviously all netted. This vat alone is huge. Big round vats. It's a great little size polytunnel this. I'm to be honest, while I'm here, I'm like really looking for myself, for my own like my own design, my own what I'm gonna do. I'm just trying to take some inspiration. Well, these two lovely achievers come to say hello, and the baby's off. Where are you going? Hey, Mikey, where are you going? Let's go back. I'm gonna chase him and I'll snap back. No, got to be careful, haven't you? Look at all them fish behind you, hey. Right, he's imprisoned in there. He's got a cheese putty, so he's happy. I'm going to try and get some footage. A lot of nice sheros. So you got, look at this one with the penny on its head. That is a full shero, but it's got a, yeah, it's got like almost like, not a tancho spot the way that is obviously a tancho, that's just Benny on the head, like orange. This is a really nice pond. What's this? A hexagon, is that what it's called? Like a 50 pence shape. Ooh, getting a little cheaper. So many achievers. Really nice. Nice sorghum. A Ginrin Kitsori. Right in on that Ginrin. Wow. Someone's showing off for the camera. Oh, nice Ginrin Goskis just over the back there. Lovely. A nice Kitsori just gone down the bottom. So this is an achiever, but this is mainly brown rather than the silver. We've got the like the mix of achiever especially is unbelievable. Like there's some darker, lighter, different style patterns, Ginrin, non-Ginrin. Some beautiful fish. Ooh, wow. Some big old jaguars. So there's only, this obviously, this is a fairly small vat, probably around maybe 2,000 2,500 litres, and but there's only four of them in here. I'm assuming they're just probably in quarantine, or just holding them here until he makes space in one of the bigger ponds. But wow, he's setting an absolute whopper, that one. Oh, just spooked them. So as I say, this is just polytunnel 1, this is just the smallest polytunnel, and then there's the one next door, and then he's got a one at the back which is huge, like a swimming pool in there, massive. We'll go around and have a look. Right, so just thought to give you a quick look at these 2 times 10.5 thousand gallon, so it's over 40,000 litres per each one of these swimming pools, because they are swimming pools, huge. Most of you have seen this before on my videos, but honestly this place is just fantastic. They got the log burner for keeping the temperature up, and then you've got the vortexes, just huge vortexes, air pumps, and the same on this side. It's just amazing, to be honest. Really do enjoy coming to this place. Shame it's so far away now. It's about 2 hours from Liverpool now, here from where we are now, but Paul's just over there checking that I've got the right fish in the box. I'll show you the fish probably on my next video. Back across the bridge. Thank you, bye, catch you next time.
So what tips and advice
So,
can I give you?
I've just asked Paul, what would he recommend to me setting up as a koi dealer? What's his tips, tricks, advice, anything, what would he say? And he said don't bother. So
That's the first of all thing, don't bother, you know, yeah. I think you've got to be totally committed. You've got to not really have a massive social life, because the koi are your social life. You know, you're dealing with livestock 24/7. It's a very good hobby to be involved with. But, you know, it's a nice business to have. Got a lot of great customers, but it is full on. And the 2 words that best describe it are koi kichi, which translates as koi crazy. And I think that's the best 2 words to describe it. You've got to be koi crazy.
yeah, I feel like,
And if you're not koi crazy, don't bother.
yeah, it's I feel like I've definitely got that, if nothing else.
And just like a lot of earache coffee misses.
Yeah, I get a lot of that as well.
You know, you'll have a lot of that on your journey. But yeah, you know, it's one of those things. It's very.
Any regrets 10 years in?
10 years, well, coming up 10 years in May. Any regrets? No, not really. You know, it's not plain sailing. It's a lot of hard work, but it's very rewarding.
Yeah.
And that's about all I'm going to say on it.
I've said it all through this video, I say it every time I come, but such an amazing place, such a nice facility what you've built here, and you know, leading the grass, look how nice it's kept. So
yeah, it keeps growing. It's growing like the devil
yeah,
now.
it's a lot of work that goes in,
more and more work to add to the fray. But
and I said it in this video already, but this is koi farm dreams, goals in life to get to this standard. So anyway, I'm going to sign off here. Thanks for watching. Catch you all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.